In this video, we are looking at the PET Tumor Segmentation Extension for 3D Slicer, a multi-platform, free and open source software package for visualization and medical image computing. This extension was designed for segmentation of lesions in PET scans. It is one of a suite of publicly available tools developed at the University of Iowa. Details of the method and the performance evaluation on clinical FDG head and neck cancer PET scans can be found in our medical physics paper, listed in the description below. This video will cover installation, basic usage, and an introduction of just enough interaction functionality. In this example, we are using 3D Slicer version 4.6. Note that the tool is available for several versions of 3D Slicer. Please use Slicer's extension manager to check availability for the version you are using. From the 3D Slicer main window, navigate to the Extension Manager, then search for the suite of PET tools. The PET Tumor Segmentation tool is implemented as an editor effect and can be used without installing any other extensions. In this video, we will use it in conjunction with the PET DICOM and PET indice extensions, which allow obtaining SUV normalized quantitative measurements of segmented lesions. After installation, restart 3D Slicer. Begin by loading the PET scan that you wish to analyze from the DICOM database. In order to load the dataset as SUV normalized volume, make sure that you select the DICOM PET SUV plugin. Once the dataset is loaded, select the PET indice module under the Quantification flyout menu. After selecting the input PET scan, the module will automatically generate a label map, which is used to store lesion segmentation results. Then, click on the PET Tumor Segmentation Editor Effect icon. The cursor's icon will change, indicating that the PET Tumor Segmentation tool is now active and the tool's option pane becomes available. To segment a lesion, click approximately on the center of the lesion in any of the three cutting planes. The algorithm will automatically generate a three-dimensional segmentation. Once completed, you can inspect the segmentation result for quality. If needed, you can easily modify the segmentation. For this purpose, the tool offers several approaches which are based on the just enough interaction principle, an example of which appears later in this video. To segment another lesion, switch to the next label and start with the segmentation. Please note that the PET indice module displays quantitative indices derived from the current lesion segmentation. Our PET Tumor Segmentation tool was designed based on the just enough interaction principle. Just enough interaction focuses on minimizing the user effort required for segmentation and allows the expert to provide high-level guidance. In the previous simple examples, one click was sufficient to obtain a good quality segmentation for each lesion. However, in some cases, more user interaction may be required. For example, in this PET scan, two lesions are adjacent and are segmented as one uptake region using the default settings. In some cases, it might be necessary to segment the two lesions individually. This can be accomplished in several ways. For example, one option is to enable local refinement and click on a point in the volume you want the surface to pass through. As a result, the leakage into the second lesion is now removed. Another approach is to utilize the splitting option, which allows segmenting adjacent uptake regions individually. To revert to the initial segmentation, click Undo, then select the splitting option and click Apply to segment the first lesion. Subsequently, continue segmenting the second lesion. This video provides a simple introduction to just enough interaction functionality. For a more complete description of all available options, see our paper, website, and accompanying videos.